Hi, now in this particular video I want to show you how to install Camera Raw the right way on your Photoshop or inside your Photoshop. Alright, now let's go into Photoshop. Most of the time we download Photoshop like mine like this. I use Photoshop 2021, but then I checked the filter and Camera Raw wasn't here. Let me just drag a random photo in there. Let's see. I'm just drag a random photo in there. Alright, so most of the time we install Photoshop but then it doesn't come with Camera Raw, and Camera Raw is a very important component in having your design looking very interesting. I have it over here now, okay, but it wasn't like that at first, so I want to show you how to do it. It's quite simple, guys. This is how you do it. The first thing I want you to do is go to edit, then I want you to scroll down and then go to preference. It's very important. And then you see Camera Raw here. Yours won't be there, I'm pretty sure. Now go here to file handling. All right, now it's very important that you go to file handling, and then I want you to click over here, use Adobe Camera Raw to convert document from 32-bit to just click on it, okay, and then click on OK, and then that is it. Once you do that, I am going to leave this in the description for you. Okay, this is the Camera Raw. I'm going to leave this pack in the description for you. It is not password protected. Just extract it and then you'll be able to have access to this. Alright, so I want you to turn off your internet. Make sure the internet is off. Once you turn off the internet, now I want you to close Photoshop. It's very important to close Photoshop as well. Once you have Photoshop closed, now you can right click it and then run as administrator. And then once it begins to run, I want you to click all the buttons, click on yes, click on everything you need to click on, and then also click on the agreement as well, and then run it. And then once you are done, when you open Photoshop, you should see it in there. It should be everywhere. Alright guys, so with that, after you do that, you should see it. Go to filter, you should see it over the Camera Raw filter. Alright, so guys, if you love this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel as well. I love you all, guys. See you in the next video.